Okay. Now we will introduce our first type. This drive wheel, you can see clearly, it's widely used on forklift.
Yes.
This we used very good quality, the PU wheel. Okay. Yeah. This motor very big. From 650 watt to 750 watt. You can choose brushed motor and biodiesel motor are also available. And here on the back, this is the brake here. And we will show how to connect it. Okay. This. You can see two cables, red and black. The two cables just connect on the mentor parts. The two cables are both of the cable are the power cable, and this cable you can see this here. This is the brake cable. Just need to connect the collector here. It's very easy. So yes. It's complete. So we will test how it works. Power on, it works. It's very smoothly. I can put faster. Okay, you can see the noise. Can you see 多少? How much? About 50. About 50. The noise is very low. Okay.
Yes.
You can move faster, work faster. Okay. Reverse. Work forward, backward. Although it's badly used on forklift, but if you adapt it, use it on HV, it's a very good choice. Okay. Because why I introduce this type? Because if you are HV manufacturer, it's also a good choice for you. It's if you don't need high accuracy, so the cost is very, very favorable. So if you forklift manufacturer, we offer you the best quality and also a best price for you. We are manufacturer, we are factory of the drive wheel. So if you have any needs, please contact us.